Hi, this is a Technology RideCast. I'm Mark Farley, and our special guest this morning is Scott Hanson, the Cisco server geek. How you doing, Scott?
Oh my God, Mark, I'm doing awesome. How are you? It's so great to hear from you.
Hey, I wanted to talk to you about Tetration. I've been hearing about this. I've been seeing it. I haven't really understood it. It's some kind of analytics for data center management.
Yeah, Tetration is our awesome analytics appliance that you can give real-time visibility into your data center. We like to call it pervasive visibility. Up until now, it's been really tough to figure out what's going on in the data center as far as applications and these cloud things. We have a lot of microservices, and we discovered that when we're talking to people trying to roll out our ACI solution, existing application owners just didn't know what the heck was going on, so we wanted to give them some way to get a real-time view into the data center so we could, help them. So I like to explain it as like when you move your house, right? I go from one house to another house, and I box everything up, and I pack it all up, and I move into my new house, and then what people do is they open up the kitchen box, and then they open up the bedroom boxes, and then after a while you say, okay, maybe I'll unbox the bathroom box. You get everything unboxed, and eventually you look in the garage, and there's still a lot of boxes, and I just don't want to open them. I don't want to look at them, and that's what we need with application owners. They're looking at VMs that are stale or they're old, and they don't know what the heck's going on. Who's talking to them? Are they still being used? Is the person that created it is long gone from the company, and he didn't leave good notes? And so that's what Tetration is all about, giving me visibility into every single box and every single little thing inside of all of those boxes to know what's going on. Well, the other things we can get out of it is the security aspect. If I get anything penetrating into my data center, I can actually look back and replay what happened during that security breach. The analytics engine actually keeps a year's worth of data, so I can replay what happened, see where it got in, and then once it got in, see where it spread its little spidery arms into each piece of the data center and where it actually went. And then I can use that to close those holes and close this breach where it came in. Not only that, since I have this replay of the data center, it's like a DVR for the data center, I can actually create scenarios and say, what if I did this, or what if I had a security breach that came in through here, and it's a security exploit of a certain type. Run through an analysis of what would have happened. It's really cool.
So what's it look like, hardware and software? You said it's an appliance. Is it like a box, or what does somebody get?
It's what we call the Big Data Analytics Engine, which is a 39U rack that's purpose-built. Bunch of servers in it. There's 36 servers. 33 of those are actually in a Hadoop cluster.
Wow.
That does all the real-time calculation pieces of it. And then on the ingestion side of it, there is hardware and software sensors. So the software sensors are really the way to go because they can be installed in any VM, any host, right, any standalone server that can pump the data to the analytics engine. There's a web front end into it that has real-time reporting structure. And then we can also, ingest data, APIs to ingest data, and I can also push data out to other solutions as well.
A 33-node Hadoop cluster built in to do analytics about what's going on with your apps. That's really impressive.
Oh yeah, and not having to be a data scientist, right? It's almost like talking to Alexa, right? Hey, Alexa, tell me, what does this application talk to, right? Show me all that stuff.
This has really been great. I learned a lot about Tetration. Where should people go if they want to find out more about this? Cisco.com/go/Tetration.
Tetration.
Thanks for coming on, man. This was really great.
Thanks, Mark. It was great to hear from you.